In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this random triangular patterned wall mesh. This was a result of a triangular mesh from my practice run. This plane had more subdivisions, but I'll only have 15 cuts on the final mesh. Let's create a plane. Go to Edit mode, and subdivide the mesh by right-clicking and typing S. The idea is to decimate this mesh by using a modifier. If we lower the ratio, then we can see the result. If we have more subdivisions, then we'll have smaller triangular faces. We can either randomize the mesh, or select the random vertices and move them upward to create a sharp angled face. Type G as in George, and Z as in zebra to bring the selected vertices upward. I'll give it a metallic material, and use the sky texture as the environment light. Let's take a look at the composition. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.